As we come to the closing of our practice today, Savasana, some people say, is the most important pose of all. And it really allows your body to fully enjoy and really feel everything that you did. So you're actually allowing your body to absorb all of the work that it's done. And it's equally as important as making all the effort and actually doing all the poses. And I really want you to fully allow your body to just relax and surrender into the ground. I'll guide you through it. Come to lay down on your back and extend both your feet and your legs onto the ground. Allow your feet to gently fall to the side and bring your arms to your sides with your palms facing up. Start to allow your body to simply melt into the floor and to feel the floor below you, supporting you. Allow your body to absorb all of the amazing work that you did today. Surrendering here. Simply breathing. Notice if there's any part of your head that can relax lower to the ground, bringing your shoulders down even more, your chest, lower back, your arms fully relaxed, your pelvis, your feet, if there's any part of your body that's holding tension, try to release it. Being so soft and gentle with your body. Bring one hand to the heart and one hand to the belly. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through the nose. Bring your knees into your chest. Gently allow them to fall to the right side. Allowing your head to relax on that right arm. Breathing in this fetal position for a moment. And feeling this full relaxation here.